Welcome to Microsoft Excel trainings. There is a different method used to create charts in the English version of Excel. While we can use the Graphics section in the Insert tab to create graphics, we also have cell graphics that we insert into the cells. We have three types of graphs, namely row, column, and loss and gain graphs, located right next to the graphs. These are different from normal graphics. If you click inside a table and draw a graph, it automatically draws a graph based on all values, while the graphs in the cell create a graph of an area you select. Look, we'll do it like this. For example, if we want to see the increases and decreases of the values in the table we have, let's click on the cell next to it, click on Insert, and then select the column from the Graphics section. So let's select the column chart. Here we have a data range field for which range of your graph you want to create. So we have our data field. I come from here. Look, I just wanted to create the graph of the person in the cells I chose. It will occur in the L5 cell. We say OK, it creates our graph automatically. When you pull down from the Fill Club, as if copying a cell, you'll see other charts appear as well. If you enhance the cell and column, your graphics will look clearer. When you click on the graphs, the Graph Properties window at the top of the screen appears. Here, friends, when you click on this, we can choose the graphic options. For example, colors from here and different color types from there. The highest point, the lowest point, the first point, the last point. It is possible to point out from different points here. Or, for example, we can do these with the high point and low point expressions here. That is, the highest point and the lowest point are marked, or negative values are marked. It is also possible to mark the first value and the last value from here. Look at them. It can be done by selecting them one by one. From here, for example, see which high point is green. Let's let the highest be green, the lowest be red. Let the first cell we start with be black when you look at it. Let the last cell be black, that is, let it start with black and end with black. Let the highest value be green and the lowest value be red. We can determine it one by one from here and right above it. It is possible to specify different colors, such as line colors, from the section below. If you want to change the shape of the graph we created, we can use the line expression on the left. That is, we can return to line from the type section, or we can return to loss and gain graphs. Our loss gain graphs are not suitable for this. Our appropriate charts here are either line charts or column charts. If you expand these to the friend cell, these graphs become larger. Look at the bigger graphics like this. It is possible to create these. This way I can make them look, I can enlarge them. And now let's look at the mirror. You can see it more clearly. When you look at it, the beginning and the end are black. The lowest point is red. The highest point is green. Of course, it does not appear due to the color, but operations can be done from here. In this way, we can create the mini graphics. And after selecting them to clear the mini graphics, we can say clear all. If you select places other than graphics and only select graphics, we can use the options such as clear all or clear only the selected ones by using the clear section from our options above. Let's see what can be done differently from the My Data section here. Yes. Options such as show dots, show negative values. This is quite beautiful. These are the features that we use in the screens that we use as dashboard reporting screens instead of creating general graphics with aggregated values. When you look at which months the increases occurred and at what values, although it does not have as many features as a chart, it is a very nice feature used to show the data in the cell. Of course, after doing these, let's select the table like this. Look, if you select the horizontal center in the Align section on the Home tab, the table will make more sense. Otherwise, it won't look right. Now, when we look at it, for example, let's select the right button again. Look from here. Let's select column white to develop it to a standard column width. For example, let's make it 20. It's been too long. Let's make it 12 again. Yes, we centered it relatively properly. And in this way, it was a nice feature used to show your tables more neatly. This is how to add in-cell graphics, friends. Its difference from adding normal graphics is only being able to create graphics inside the cell, but it is a nice application that is used in dashboard reporting screens and increases visuality.